Okay, this is question 3. So diagram shows part of a regular n-sided polygon. They didn't tell you how many sides there are. Explain why the triangle ABC and CDE are congruent. Okay, so you know that all the sides are the same. So firstly, you can go and say that AB here, it's equals to CD, right? Because yeah, all the sides are the same. So, and when you're comparing the triangles, you need to compare the same sides, right? Of the triangles itself. So you can say that AB is equals to CD. And you also know that BC is equals to DE. Okay, so we got S here, this side, got 2S here, right? And how about the angles? You know that since AB, C, and CDE has same sides, they are gonna have the same angles here, right? Because ABC equals to CDE because of interior angles of a regular polygon. So you can say angles ABC equals to angle CDE. Why? Interior angles of a polygon. Okay, so this is angle. So you can already prove that they are congruent. So because based on this, therefore, triangles ABC equals to, no, congruent to triangle CDE because of SAS. Okay? So now, you are given the angle ABC equals to 160. Find the value of n. Okay? So for part BI, they ask you to find the value of n, which is the number of sides, right? How many sides is this n-sided polygon? And you know that the formula for interior angle of a regular and regular polygon is equals to what? Number of sides minus 2 times 180 divided by the number of sides, which is n. Okay, and you know that this whole expression equals to 160, right? And you can go and manipulate this statement here and find the value for n. So 160n equals to 180n minus 360. You can find value of n, so there will be 20n equals to 360. N is equals to 18. Okay, this is part BI. Okay, for BII, sorry, I'm just going to write it here. It's going to be a bit tiny. Okay, for part BII, they'll ask you to find the angle BCA, which is right here. Okay, so if you know, what type of triangle is triangle ABC? It is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because two of their sides are the same, AB and BC, right? They are identical to each other. So you know that angles BCA and BAC will be the same. Okay, so you can easily find the angle BCA, which will just be 180 minus 160, right? That will give you the sum of both the isosceles triangles. And then, you know, since they are the same, you just have to divide it by 2. Okay, And that will give you 10. Reason, base angle of isosceles triangles. Okay. Part 3. I'm gonna make my pen a bit thinner. Okay. They want you to find DEA. DEA, which is right here. Right? So is this isosceles angle, which we have already found here, DEC, right? And they want you to find CEA. Okay. Okay, so how do I find CEA? CEA, right? First, you got to find ACE, right? And in order to do that, you already know what is one angle of a polygon, right? That would be equals to 160. 160, you know that angles ACE is made out of this isosceles triangles. This isosceles angle, sorry, added up together, plus this ACE, this whole entire thing will give you 160, right? So step by step, let's find ACE, which will be equals to 160 minus 2 base angles of an isosceles triangle, which is 2 times 10, equals to 140, right? And you realize that actually triangle ACE is also an isosceles triangle, right? Where AC equals to CE. Okay? So can find angles CEA already actually. CEA equals to 180 minus 140 divided by 2, right? This should give you 20. Why? Base angle of isosceles triangles. Okay? And as what we mentioned just now, that actually angles DEA is the sum of this small isosceles angle plus this big isosceles angle, right? CEA. So it's DEC plus CEA. Okay? And so we just have to add them up together. DEA is actually equals to angles, what? DEC plus angle CEA. Both we already know the answers to, which is DEC is 10 plus CEA is 20 equals to 30. Okay, I realized that I haven't been putting my degree sign, so please go ahead and edit. Remember to edit, yeah? If not, you'll be losing marks for it. Yes. Gotta let the examiners know they are finding all of this in degrees, okay? This is a mistake that you should not be making. Okay. So this should be the final answer. Okay.